Hello, I'm Danielle, the author and illustrator of Mischief, a pancake surprise. And on the Mischief channel, I teach you about our amazing world through art, science, and craft projects. Today, I will show you how to make a fox mask so you can be a feisty fox. Here's what you need: glue, scissors, a plastic fork, orange paint, a craft stick, a paper plate, watercolor paper, white and black cardstock paper, and a pencil. You will also need to go to my website, moose-tastic.com, and print off the fox mask template. For the first step, cut out the fox. Place it upside down onto the watercolor paper and trace it. So now we will paint the fox orange with the fork. Who needs a paintbrush? Pour the orange paint onto your paper plate. I am painting the fox with the fork because it creates a really neat furry effect. Don't be afraid to go over the lines, because you'll cut it out later. See how it looks all furry? It gives it such a cool texture. It makes the paint kind of stand out from the page more. Wow, that looks really cool. Set it aside to dry. Return to the fox template and cut out the eyes. To do so, just poke a hole with your pencil into the template, just like this, and then grab your scissors and slip it right into that hole, and then cut around onto the dotted lines. So there you go. Now that your watercolor paper is all dry, let's draw in the fox's eyes and cut them out. Poke a hole with your pencil through the fox's eye so that you have a place to put your scissors in later. Now cut out your mask and the eyes. Slip your scissors into the hole that you did with your pencil and cut out the eye. Now I'll be able to see out of it. Okay, return to the fox template and cut out his whiskers, his nose, and his ears. Place the ears and the whiskers down on the white cardstock paper and trace them. Cut them out. Place the nose onto the black cardstock paper and trace it. It can be a little hard to see the pencil mark, so you might want to push down a little hard with your pencil. Okay, cut it out. There's his cute little nose. Let's glue it together. Okay, so now glue on the craft stick so you can hold your mask up to your face. Let's put a dab of glue right here on the end and attach it to our mask. And when it's all dry, you can go outside and play with it. I had so much fun making this fox mask with you. If you had fun too, like the video below, share it with a friend, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would love to see your fox mask, so please take a picture of it and post it to Facebook or Instagram, hashtag it Mischief. And please check out my book, Mischief, a pancake surprise. In the book, the moose claims he's the best chef in Alaska, but is that simply ridiculous? Buy the book to find out.